single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, it's Sherrell here, and if you're new to my channel, that's who I am. Today's video, I am excited to tell you guys that I am cleaning my refrigerator, and I have not cleaned my refrigerator since December before the holidays. So yeah, if you're interested in cleaning your refrigerator with me, stay tuned. This video is super exciting because it's in collaboration with Shawna from Shawna Ray and Desiree from Chaos of a Mommy Life. These are two sweet YouTube mamas, and we're all trying to get some spring cleaning done in our home, and we decided to work together in providing you guys with some motivation. So make sure you check out these ladies' channels after watching this video and let them know that I sent you. Alright guys, so I like to start off by cleaning my refrigerator in sections, and what I am using to clean my refrigerator is water and dish soap. Oh my gosh, who else loves speed cleaning videos? I love watching them, but the reality is I don't clean this fast. However, I wish I did, because child, let me tell you, the things that I would get done. Who else wishes they can clean this fast too? Okay, truth moment. She is a messy cleaner, which means because there is water on the floor that I will have to clean my floors, but it's okay. What I'm doing here in this clip is before I put things back on my refrigerator door, I'm just checking the expiration date just to make sure that I'm not placing anything in my refrigerator that is already expired. Okay, I am a Marvel fan, and I'm so excited that Captain Marvel is being released this weekend. If you already saw it on Thursday, y'all, let me know just one thing. Did they do the movie well? Did they represent it well? I'm gonna see it, but just let me know. Let's have some conversation. Say I if this happens to you when your spouse is not home. My husband was away because the military had him go someplace for a couple of weeks. And the last time I cleaned my refrigerator, this glass tray that I'm cleaning very carefully shattered all over my sink. The glass was in my garbage disposal. The glass also somehow traveled its way to the hose that's connected to our dishwasher. Thank God we live on base housing, but it was a mess trying to get this thing clean. I promise you guys, we were cleaning glass for weeks. It's insane. But say I if this happens to you when your spouse is gone, things go upside down. So now for the sniff test. It's not a fun thing to do, but you gotta make sure that you're not putting spoiled food in the refrigerator. Well, that's it. This is all I can get done before my kids got home from school. You guys don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos. I'll make sure that their links are in my description. Until next time, you guys, stay beautiful.